Hi friends, do you know what is self variable in Python? Self is a reference variable that points to the current object and it is used to refer the instance variables and methods, and self should be the first parameter inside constructor and inside instance method. In this example, this is the constructor and this is instance method, and here self should be the first parameter. But you were wondered how self will refer to the current object. Let me explain first. Suppose if you create an object of this class, then this object will contain the memory address, and when we call the any method using that object, then that memory address will pass to the self variable internally, and in this way self will point to the current object, and using self variable we can access methods and object. Thank you.